Alright folks, today on Little Kitchen Big Food, we're going to make pork shoulder. I'm going to show you how. You ready? Daisy, are you ready? We're going to make pork shoulder. Yeah? Here we go. When you're using it upside down, okay, I probably got this. Smoke the apple. A little bit of salt. But you're not eating the apple. The apple's not getting consumed. And I'm going to put some wood chips on this. And they'll impart that flavor into the smoke, into the pork. So we're going to make our injection. So about a half a cup in this case. Pineapple juice. A third of a cup of apple cider vinegar. A little onion powder. My garlic powder. Smoked paprika. Red pepper flakes. Little kosher salt. Fresh ground black pepper. Some lemongrass. From the lemongrass, it's really good. So that's our injection. Sometimes you'll have to trim this fat off. Not all of it. You see just how much. So that's done. You need your meat injector. Now they normally come, you can see this one here, it's got holes in the sides. This is the one I use, olive oil, just so it's got a seal. Garlic powder, kosher salt, dill, touch of chili powder, celery salt, onion powder, regular paprika, fresh ground black pepper. Stir. Yellow mustard. From Philippe's down in LA. This is going to do a couple of things. The vinegar from that with the pork. Oh, that smells good already, just that mustard. And I'm not like rubbing it like, oh, you gotta rub it. I'm just trying to make sure it gets everywhere. The fat's gonna render. This is the messy part. It's all rubbed down and ready to go. The last thing you're gonna need is a thermometer. We're gonna do our apple, our little apple thing. I'll meet you outside. We've got our apple, our wood, with sprigs of sage on there. The heat's over here on this side. This side, it's off. You're gonna put your pork far away from the direct heat as you can. You want to do it fat side up. They're not going to be on there for very long. You may have seen this before. Burrata cheese. It's fresh mozzarella cheese filled with shreds of mozzarella soaked in cream. And oh my, I could eat these as they sit right here. I've got 4 of them. I've got 4 more in the fridge. Mushrooms. We'll see. It could be disgusting. I bet it isn't. We're going to fry up some sage here. In this case, peanut. Put a little bit of olive. A little bit more butter. Come on, get off there. Oh, the smell is amazing. Was that about a minute? Yeah. These all out. How crispy they are. Alright. Dogs are losing their minds, so let me go deal with that. Alright guys, status check. That's smoking nicely, and you see how that's working. We're at 109. We're getting there. We're getting there. Soon. Good food takes time. I'll do a couple more chores around here and check back in a little bit. 4 hours later, that's what you end up with. Wrap it in foil, put it in a cooler, let it rest for about an hour.
Put the cord on the grill. We're gonna break cord on the bleeping grill.
Alright, alright.
So that's just butter, olive oil, salt, and pepper. That's it. You don't need a lot of other stuff on it. It's corn. It's grilled corn. We're getting there. Like that. And once they're warmed up really good, the cheese will go on. So we'll see you in a few minutes. That is the end result. Pork super tender, really flavorful. You taste the pork, it comes through, but you can also taste the injection and the rub. It's just subtle. It's not a lot. So, and you know what? I need a fork from here. I need to make those. Make this.